Did you know that over $3 billion in stolen cryptocurrency has reportedly been laundered through illegal mixing services fueling ransomware, theft, and other cybercrimes? In today's video, we'll uncover the dramatic takedown of 3 alleged cryptomixer operators behind Blender.io and Sinbad.io. These platforms reportedly helped hackers, including North Korea's Lazarus Group, launder massive amounts of illicit cryptocurrency for major breaches like Axie, Infinity, and Horizon Bridge. 3 cryptomixer architects indicted for facilitating ransomware transactions. The U.S. Department of Justice has charged 3 Russian nationals, Roman Vitalyevich Ostapenko, Alexander Evgenievich Oleynik, and Anton Vyachlavovich Tarasov, for their purported involvement in managing cryptocurrency mixing services Blender.io and Sinbad.io. These sites are said to facilitate the laundering of revenues from ransomware attacks, Bitcoin thefts, and other cybercrimes. Blender.io, active from 2018 until 2022, and its successor, Sinbad.io, purportedly offered services to conceal the source of criminal payments. By consolidating and reallocating money among many wallets, these mixers obscured transaction pathways, becoming a favored instrument for thieves. Both platforms are associated with state-sponsored hacking entities, notably North Korea's Lazarus Group, which used them to launder millions in illicitly obtained cryptocurrencies from notable breaches, including the Axie Infinity and Horizon Bridge events. 3 cryptomixer architects accused. Ostapenko, 55, is charged with 1 count of conspiracy to conduct money laundering and 2 counts of running an unregistered money-transmitting enterprise. Oleynik, 44, and Tarasov, 32, face similar allegations, but with 1 less count pertaining to unauthorized activities. If convicted, the defendants may get a maximum sentence of 20 years for conspiracy to commit money laundering and 5 years for each count of running unregistered enterprises. Ostapenko and Oleynik were apprehended on December 1st, 2024, after a synchronized multinational operation conducted by the Netherlands Fiscal Information and Investigative Service, FIOD, Finland's National Bureau of Investigation, NBI, and the FBI. Tarasov remains at large. In May 2022, Blender.io was penalized by the U.S. Treasury's Office of Foreign Assets Control, OFAC, for facilitating the laundering of cash associated with North Korean hackers and ransomware organizations. After its cessation, Sinbad.io re-emerged in late 2022 as a renamed replacement. Sinbad.io faced sanctions in November 2023 for its involvement in laundering Bitcoin associated with Lazarus Group heists. In November 2023, law enforcement agencies removed the infrastructure of Sinbad.io in a coordinated operation led by officials from the United States, the Netherlands, and Finland. This takedown was a substantial setback for hackers using mixers for anonymity. Cryptocurrency mixers such as Blender.io and Sinbad.io have been contentious instruments within the blockchain community. Although they may improve financial privacy for lawful users, their anonymous attributes render them appealing to cyber criminals aiming to launder illicit assets. These sites have enabled offenses like ransomware payments and evasion of fines. Principal Deputy Assistant Attorney General Brent S. Weibel, underscored that these mixers facilitated cybercriminals in profiting from actions that threaten public safety and national security. The arrests highlight the need for global collaboration in addressing cybercrime. The indictment underscores that accusations remain claims unless substantiated in court. Prosecutors must prove the defendant's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt throughout trial processes. This case underscores the persistent endeavors of international law enforcement organizations to dismantle illegal financial networks using blockchain technology. U.S. authorities have indicted 3 Russian nationals accused of running unregistered money transmitting businesses and laundering stolen crypto through popular mixer services. By pooling funds and redistributing them across multiple wallets, these mixers obscured transaction trails, enabling ransomware actors and state-sponsored hackers to hide their ill-gotten gains. The arrests highlight international law enforcement efforts to disrupt illegal financial networks on the blockchain. From a cybersecurity standpoint, the key lesson is clear. While mixers can be used for legitimate privacy, they are also prime tools for criminals. To prevent this kind of cyber laundering, law enforcement agencies collaborate worldwide to track and dismantle these services. Takeaway? Staying vigilant, reporting suspicious activity, and supporting regulatory measures against illicit crypto operations help secure the blockchain ecosystem. What do you think is the best approach to balancing legitimate financial privacy on the blockchain with stopping illegal laundering activities? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, we'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give it a like, and share it with your friends. Remember to check out my other videos for more insights on the latest tech trends and cyber awareness. Thank you for watching.